Hey there, in this video I'm going to be taking a quick look at the just launched ability to add background videos to your website and funnel pages in HighLevel. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video? Well, apparently, according to research, a full minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. That's the equivalent of reading the entire Lord of the Rings series 3 times. I'll just say adding videos to your pages boosts engagement and helps build consumer confidence. Let's dive straight in. So here I am inside the HighLevel page builder. As you can see, we have ourselves a wedding photographer funnel here. And for the hero section of this funnel page, we're using a static image. Now, it's all well and good, but just imagine, for example, as you can see, adding the video to this page really sort of brings the page to life, helps with the engagement and gets people sort of more visually stimulated. So they're a great addition to any funnel page really. So returning to our funnel page, it's quite simple to set up and do. Just make sure you've got your section selected, and if you scroll down to where we've got background media type here, currently set to image, we're going to change that to video. And then we're going to select our video from our selection already, and it will be added in here. Now you can see we've got a little gap going on at the sides just here. This can be countered using the video options here. So fit basically means as long as the dimensions remain consistent, it's going to fit it into the space available. Fill basically means it's going to stretch to cover the entire of the available space. So what we'll be looking for in this instance is cover, which will keep the dimensions. You'll lose a bit of video off the top and the bottom, but it'll keep the dimensions looking good, and that's what you want. Now you can adjust also the background video opacity. I've got my background of this set to quite a nice light blue, so if I knock, for example, the background down to a light fade, you can see the blue starting to come through, which also adds a nice effect. You can go all the way through half fade and all the way to heavy fade, which gives it more of a washed out feeling, but it still looks pretty good. We'll give that a preview just to see how it looks. As you can see, it still looks pretty sweet, but the full color version pops more. So returning to the page builder again, you do have the option to add a video thumbnail. This basically just, you could almost say it underlays an image behind the video in case there's a slight pause while the video loads. There will be a picture underneath it, so it could have its use cases. The only other further option we've got is this video loop here, and switching that off and on obviously returns the video to the start once it ends. So I'm just going to knock this back down to a light fade, and if we preview this again, so there you go, fantastic addition to the funnel builder. I would like to add the obvious point that you can't just shove loads of videos all over your page. It will decrease the speed at which the page loads, and that's something that Google hates. It's something that your website visitors will hate. So you want to make sure that you're not using too many videos and you're at least trying to manage the file size. If you're looking to get hold of some videos that are licensed free, Pexels has got a good library. You could hit that up. For this video, I've used it in a section. You can add it to your rows and columns. I've just got a little example down here just to show you some of the sort of neat effects that you can achieve. But obviously it's going to slow down the page slightly. We've got a few videos trying to load, so just be wary, because nobody wants to visit a website with slow speed. So with that said, absolutely awesome looking feature, and I'll enjoy using it.